Hello everybody, welcome again with another live forex analysis. So today in this video we are going to discuss about GBPJPY, and we will also share our trading plans of GBPJPY with all of you guys. So first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan which we give in yesterday's video. If you did not watch our video, please go to our YouTube channel and watch that video. In this video we did these analysis and we share our trading ideas. So first of all we will discuss about our yesterday's plan. So this was the resistance and this was the support. So I gave a trading idea that if market break this support, then there's a high probability chance to market go down. So let's come on H1 time frame. If you can see that, yeah, this was the resistance level which I draw, and this candle, this candle, so this candle break this support level and close below the support. So I told in yesterday's video that if market comes down, break this support level, then the next candle will go up and the then comes down, then your trade should be below at the previous candle wick. So this is the good example of a breakout trade. So market break this support, this candle close below this support level, and the next candle comes goes up to retest this support level and comes down. When market comes down, there was a good opportunity of sell when market breaking the previous candle low. So SL was above this area, and TP, you know that I'm using 1 to risk reward. So this was a good trade. You got very easily 1 to risk reward. So this was the trade of almost 38 pips. So I told in yesterday's video that this is the range of 38 pips, and you can get easily 15 to 20 pips, but you got 38 pips easily. So this is the perfect example of breakout trade. When you are a breakout trader, you have to knowledge that the candle break the support or resistance, and the next candle should retest the support or resistance, and then comes go up or down, then you should need to open a trade. So now we are going to discuss about our today's plan. So first of all we will remove this. Okay, so before going to discuss about today's plans, please like this video, share this video with your friends and in forex groups, and please subscribe this channel, and don't forget to press the bell button and set all notifications on to get daily live analysis. So without wasting any time, let's come to the point. So first of all we will go on H4 time frame. Okay, so this is the resistance which we draw in yesterday's video, and this was the support level, and now let's see if this support becomes resistance or not. So this was the resistance. Market was come down to this resistance, make this support level and comes up. So let's see what will happen if market break this support level. Then we can open a buy trade and almost get easily. This was the 50 pip range, and you can get easily 20 to 25 pips very easily. On the other hand, if we look on this, then we have a demand area here. If market break this support, there's a high probability chance to go in this demand area. So let's come on to H1 time frame. Okay, so this is the resistance, support level. This was the support level. Let's see, will this be a resistance or not. If market comes at this resistance level and close below this resistance level, and the next candle will close bearish candle almost here, then you can open a sell trade, and your SL should be almost above this resistance, and your TP should be at the support level. This will be a good trade. This is a reversal trade, and if market break this resistance and close above this resistance, then you can open a buy trade and get easily 15 to 20 pips. And other side, if market break this support level, close below this support, then you can open a sell trade and get easily 20 to 25 pips. This is sorry, if you can see that this is also a previous high candle, so I think this target will be fine. If you can see, there is a almost 22 pips 42 pips range. You can get easily 15 to 20 pips, and 15 to 20 pips enough for intraday trader. I think 10 pips are enough for intraday trading. So these are the trading ideas of GBPJPY. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and in Forex group, so that other people can also get benefit from this video. If you are looking for a best Forex broker, then you can open your trading accounts on our recommended broker. The link of our recommended broker are given in the description box. See you next video with live analysis. Take care. Bye bye.